Every year here at Phobail, Brassneck have a world premiere play. Now this year it's Project Children. Tell me all about it.
So Project Children by the incredible Phobail Kennedy from West Belfast looks at the 50 year of the legacy of Project Children, set up by Dennis Mulcahy and his brothers and friends in New York. They were NYPD detectives. They brought Protestant and Catholic children from the north over to America over the course of 40 years, 23,000 kids, 1,400 host families, incredible legacy, and the play is all about looking at those guys.
And we will recognise some of the characters because you've taken real life stories.
All real life stories. We interviewed a lot of people from here, from Belfast, Derry, Strabane, and all those hilarious stories that we love to tell are all part and parcel of the play.
Now I know we all can't wait to see it. When is it on?
So the play is on.
Project Children being performed at St Comgall School at the bottom of the Falls Road, Friday the 4th of August to Sunday the 13th of August. Let's see you there.